So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Trying to share your location from your iPhone but friends or family can't see it? Maybe Find My says location unavailable. Maybe location sharing stopped working in messages, or maybe family sharing isn't updating your location correctly. The good news is that most location sharing problems can be fixed in just a few minutes using built-in iPhone settings. Let's go through the most common fixes. Firstly, open Settings, Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Make sure Location Services is turned on. If this setting is disabled, apps like Find My won't be able to access your location at all. Many users accidentally disable location services while troubleshooting battery life or privacy settings and then forget it's turned off. Once it's enabled, move to the next step. While you're still inside Location Services, scroll down and tap Find My. Make sure location access is allowed, and if Find My doesn't have permission to access your location, it won't work correctly. Check the app is allowed to use Location Services rather than being set to never. After changing the setting, give the app a few moments to refresh. Now open Settings. Then tap your name. And then Find My. Look for Share My Location. Make sure the switch is enabled. This setting controls whether trusted contacts and family members can use your location. If it's turned off, nobody you've shared with will receive updated location information. Many people check location services but forgot this separate setting exists. If Share My Location is already enabled but one specific person still can't see you, try restarting the sharing connection. Just open Find My, or open the conversation in Messages. Stop sharing your location with that trusted contact and then share it again. This refreshes the connection and can solve synchronization issues and occasionally occur after iOS updates or account settings. Remember only to share your location with people you trust. And if you're using family sharing, there is one more place to check. Just open Settings. Family, then Location Sharing. Review which family member can see your location and make sure location sharing is enabled for the people you intend to share with. Sometimes family sharing remains active while location sharing itself is disabled for specific members. If a family member reports that they can't see your location, this is an important setting to verify. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if this video helped you out.